In this video, I'll show you how to change your eBay currency from US dollars to British pounds in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Step 1. Log into eBay. Go to ebay.com and sign in with your account. Step 2. Open account settings. Click My eBay in the top right corner, then select account settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Change your site version. Scroll to Site Preferences and look for the region country settings. If you're on the US site, switch to the UK version by choosing ebay.co.uk. Step 4. Adjusting your currency settings. If your account supports it, go to Display Currency and choose GBP, British Pound Sterling from the list. Step 5. Save changes. Click Apply or Save. Your listing and prices should now appear in pounds. Step 6. Clear cache if needed. If the site still shows USD, clear your browser's cache or log in again to refresh the settings. Now you've successfully changed your eBay from dollars to pounds in 2025. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.